Welcome. USB fell with the laptop. Damage is done. You can't just push these back in. I think there's a little bit more to it. It's showtime! The 4 pins would go, but it won't, because in there, that's where the plastic really snapped. So what does one do? That's the question. Get rid of it. How do you know the coloring wiring? I don't. As safely as I can do this, I do. I think I bought a macro lens for a good reason. Why am I not using it? One of the good reasons is it's hard for me to video with the camera right on top of me. This looks like the area where I need to open this up. Nobody knows what a USB port looks like. All those wires broken. Figure out my color code. Red, white, green, black. So on this plug, I guess in maybe this way, red, white, green, black. If you were me and needed this end, you cut the cable in half. Red, white, green, black. Red is thick, black is thick, thinner, the thinnest. How I feel it. With the other end, just wanted to make sure you can see me a little better than just having macro on. I don't have to modify. Everything is like for like. I don't have here is a soldering iron. I don't have what they call solderless connections. So I'm doing the best with just the twist action, nice and tight twists, and tape. One, it gives me a temporary fix telling me that yes, it works. And then all I gotta do is go get my correct connections. Now I just simply leave the tail on, everything like so, and I just wrap everything up. I should do a test. I know I'm pretty good with this. I'm going to make a wrap my way. My tape is sticky, loose wrap. Don't have to be super tight. Now, I don't basically stretch and cut it. I cut it here, loose, and then just wrap it over. This tape is sticky now. The glue is wearing off. So there I go. My connection's made. Do a test run. Logitech, let's open up. If you ever break this, that's what you do. That is the program, not me. So let's go over to the cable, give it a wiggle. Let's go over to a program besides this. So here we are live. You don't see the shaking, and like I said, it was definitely the program of Logitech. And I am 100% fixed with live stream. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today's times, this camera is a lot of money. The laptop fell, it damaged the cable, it snapped the plastic part, and I showed you a close-up shot with my OA-5 and shot with an Osmo Action. I have fixed the cable. I don't have my other cables around, so I grabbed the Yi cable. And rest in peace, buddy. At least I got the other end for a micro, which I do have another cable I need to repair. So that's where this is going to go. And I did not really want it to destroy a good cable. But for a good product, it went to a good cause. I thank you very much for joining me on this how-to YouTube video. And I hope you can learn something very simple. Like for like colors, order a cable to make the correct connection. You don't need the noise suppressor that's on there. That's just a little piece of plastic. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me. See you all in the next videos to come. A YouTube how-to video. Don't forget to rate, comment, share the love. Show that like, baby.